There is a cat somewhere in your home right now that can predict earthquakes before any machine on Earth detects them. That purrs at a frequency proven to accelerate bone healing and living tissue. That formed an attachment to you as deep and as real as the bond between a child and a parent. And that has been doing all of this quietly, without acknowledgement, without recognition, for the entire time it has lived with you. Most cat owners go their whole lives without knowing any of what you are about to hear. In this video, 15 facts about the hidden life your cat lives when the world goes quiet, the dark history that connects cats to one of the deadliest events in human history, and one final fact about what your cat actually feels towards you that will change how you see it forever. Stay until the end. The last fact only lands the way it should if you have earned it. Hit subscribe. Let's go. Fact 1. Cats sleep between 12 and 16 hours a day. Some sleep up to 20. This isn't laziness, it's an evolutionary strategy. Hunting requires explosive energy. The cat's entire biology is designed around short, intense bursts of activity followed by deep recovery. Every long nap is preparation for the next hunt. Fact 2. Cats dream. They experience REM sleep just like humans. This is why you see your cat twitching its paws, moving its whiskers, or making tiny sounds while asleep. It's hunting, or playing, or running from something. It is reliving its day in real time behind closed eyes. Fact 3. When a cat sleeps curled into a ball, it's not just comfortable, it's a protective posture. In that position, every vital organ is covered. The instinct of a wild animal that even in sleep prepares for a threat that might never come. Think about this. Your cat has spent roughly 60% of its entire life asleep. Every memory it has of you, every interaction, every moment of trust or tension between you was formed in the remaining 40%. And in that 40%, it built a model of you precise enough to recognize your footsteps, predict your schedule, and read your emotional state before you are aware of it yourself. Imagine what it could do with a full day. Fact 4. A cat never fully loses awareness, even in deep sleep. The brain continues processing sound. An unfamiliar noise and the cat is immediately awake. A familiar sound and it sleeps on. Your cat knows your footsteps and doesn't react to them. A stranger's footstep and it's on its feet before you've heard anything at all. Fact 5. Purring is not always happiness. Cats purr when they're in pain, when they're stressed, and even during labor. The vibration frequency of a purr sits between 25 and 150 Hz. These specific frequencies accelerate the healing of bones and tissue. A cat is literally healing itself with sound. Research shows that cat owners have a 40% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Your cat may be healing you too, every single time it purrs beside you. Fact 6. Your cat cannot taste sweetness, and this is not a minor sensory gap. The gene responsible for detecting sweet flavor is completely absent from feline DNA. It was switched off somewhere in evolutionary history when cats became pure carnivores and sugar became irrelevant to survival. What this means is that every dessert you have ever eaten, every piece of fruit, everything that has brought you pleasure through sweetness, is a category of experience that your cat is neurologically incapable of having. Your cat does not know what sweet means. It has never known. It is missing an entire dimension of sensory experience that you take for granted every single day, and it has never once noticed the absence. Fact 7. Most adult cats are lactose intolerant. After weaning, cats stop producing lactase, the enzyme that breaks down lactose. The milk you pour into a bowl for your cat is not a treat. It's a guaranteed stomach problem. The image of a cat lapping up a bowl of milk is one of the most widespread and damaging myths in pet ownership. Fact 8. Cats are most active at dawn and dusk, and this is not a behavioral quirk. It is a biological timer set millions of years before your cat was born. The small mammals cats evolved to hunt are most exposed and most vulnerable at the threshold between light and dark, when predators that hunt purely by sight are struggling, and cats are not. Your cat's 6 a.m. sprint through the apartment is not random energy. It is an ancient hunting alarm going off on a schedule so deeply embedded in its biology that 10,000 years of living with humans have not moved it by a single minute. Your cat is not running because it is excited. It is running because something inside it just told it the hunt is on. And there is nothing in your home worth catching. Drop a comment right now. What is the strangest thing your cat has ever done at dawn or in the middle of the night? We read every single one. Fact 9. Cats sense seismic activity before instruments detect it. Before earthquakes, cats become agitated, try to leave the building, hide in unusual places. This behavior has been observed and documented across multiple countries and multiple earthquakes. Your cat may know the ground is about to move before any machine on Earth does. Here is something to sit with. The 3 abilities you just heard about, healing through sound, predicting earthquakes, running on a biological clock calibrated to prey behavior, are all things your cat does without thinking, without trying, without any awareness that it is doing something extraordinary. Your cat is not special for having these abilities. Every cat on Earth has them. You have been living with this and calling it a pet. Fact 10. Cats have lived alongside humans for 10,000 years. It began in the Fertile Crescent in what is now the Middle East. Humans started farming grain. Grain attracted mice. Mice attracted cats. We did not domesticate cats. They moved in because it suited them. The arrangement has always been on their terms. Fact 11. In ancient Egypt, killing a cat was punishable by death. When a household cat died, the entire family shaved their eyebrows in mourning and remained that way until the eyebrows grew back. Dead cats were mummified with the same care and ritual as human beings. Fact 12. In medieval Europe, cats were declared servants of the devil and killed in massive numbers, black cats especially. Historians believe this wholesale destruction of cats indirectly caused the spread of the Black Plague. With cats gone, the rat population exploded unchecked. The rats carried the disease across the entire continent. Millions of humans died in part because cats were no longer there to stop them. Fact 13. In 1963, a cat named Félicette became the first and only cat to travel to space. France selected her from a group of 14 trained cats after months of testing. On October 18, she was launched alone into the upper atmosphere in a small capsule, reaching an altitude of 97 miles. She was alive when the capsule was recovered. She had survived acceleration, weightlessness, and re-entry. She returned to Earth and lived. For decades after her flight, she received almost no recognition. The other animals sent to space, dogs, monkeys, chimpanzees, were celebrated and memorialized. Félicette was largely forgotten. It took a crowdfunding campaign in 2019, more than 50 years after her flight, to finally give her a statue in Paris. A cat went to space and came back alive, and the world spent half a century not talking about it. That feels exactly right for a species that has always done extraordinary things without needing anyone to notice. Before the final 2 facts, consider what you have heard. A body that outperforms most animals on Earth. A sensory system that perceives a version of reality you cannot access. A mind that manipulates, remembers, adapts, and forms attachments deeper than most people ever suspected. A history intertwined with human civilization for 10,000 years. A cat that went to space. And now this. Fact 14. A cat named Oscar lived in a nursing home in the United States and predicted with consistent accuracy which residents would die within the coming hours. He would go to that person and lie beside them. He predicted over 100 deaths. Researchers believe cats detect specific biochemical changes in the body that no medical instrument has yet been designed to measure. Oscar felt what no machine could see. Fact 15. A 2019 study proved that cats form attachments to their owners far stronger than most people believe. The majority of cats develop a secure bond with their owner that mirrors the bond between a child and a parent. Your cat uses you as a safe base from which it explores the world. It may pretend not to care. It may ignore you for hours. It may turn its back and walk away. But when you're gone, it waits. It knows your footsteps. It knows your scent. It chose you. And of all 15 facts in this video, that is probably the one that matters most. If this video changed how you see your cat, write in the comments which fact hit you the hardest. And if your cat is somewhere nearby right now, go find it. It's pretending it doesn't care. But you know now that it does. Subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you in the next one.